What have you done, Hank? Whoa, this is no good. Oh, I totally give up, guys. We're not gonna play Wizard of Oz today, but we're going to some of the field trips. Anyway, I will bring the special guest out. I have a special guest to show you all, but don't worry. Here he is. Quack quack! Wow, who is that? I have a duck. His name is Hugo. What did you think? How do you do, Hugo? Quack. Quack. What did he just say? He said he's going to be in the show for us. Yeah. And Hank, you sure like to act like a duck. She said, can ducks act? Well, since we're all set, hey, can we start the piano, please? Very good job, Hugo. Now I'm gonna bring a special guest for you to come explain this to you. Really? Well, who? She'll bring you the Xena Mental for you. Xena Mental, that's a great idea, guys. She is the voice of Elsa.
Hello, Elmo. It is I, your fuzzy, cute little friend, Grover.
No, you can't be that. It must be Xena Mental. Pleasure to meet you. But you can't be Grover or Cookie Monster.
Oh, hello, little Elmo. Yes, me.
No. You can't be that or even Elmo.
Oh, hello, Elmo. Elmo is here to help.
Wait a minute. You gotta say, hello everyone, I'm Xena Menzel. Sorry about that. That's alright. Who are you doing without anybody? Well, since I was born, I was young, born especially. I am the voice of Elsa. Are you the voice of Elsa? Yes. How could you become a witch? Well, especially sometimes. Especially I could become a marvelous witch. Even though I could go to a border way. It all started with the tippy-toe gang, the tap-toe gang, even while the vocal cords. The table dance are especially bet everybody about whole history. Especially you know about the tap dance in a whole town. Wow, that's very nice. And why do you see a picture? Sorry about that again. Especially you don't know how. Well, I'm going to take you on a field trip to the theater to be the play of the Wizard of Oz. Wow, that's very cool. Let's go now. Before we go, I'll just say this.
Did the little piggy cry wee 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 all the way home?
What? Yes! Stop! Toto, I'm so bold. I know it's impossible. Whoa! Yeah! Welcome, Dorothy. Follow the yellow brick road. Toto, I don't think we're at home anymore. Ruff. I would like to find my water, Dorothy. Will you help me? Yeah, and I need my underwear. I have a little bit about that.
I just need a nap. A little bit of cat nap. Oh.
Well, I'm trying to find my wizard. Will you help me? We're off to see the wizard. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. That is totally.
That's a wrap. Ah! I'm melting! I'm melting!
Yay! We're free! Thrills! Hey, now you see me behind the curtain. I have some magic tricks for all of you. Just remember I have this. This is my wife. You know that about Disney. This is my wife. Tick tock, ding. Wow, that's an awesome school play. I gotta leave now. Bye-bye. How was the play? It was great, Miss Julie. So that's we know where to find out about the play.